Alright, we are finished jQuery. Now that you have finished jQuery, it's time to move on to PHP. But before we do that, I'd like you to take a moment and reflect on how well you have done and how far you've actually come. You know HTML, HTML5, CSS, CSS3, jQuery, and JavaScript. The only thing left is PHP and SQL. Once you have those two languages under your belt, you will officially be the complete web developer. Right now you can mark up any HTML page, style it any way you like, and make it dynamic using JavaScript or jQuery. But let's be honest with ourselves. Is that not impressive? Just the fact that you've made it this far? I'm impressed by your progress. So well done to you. And I really mean that. Well done. And now you know how to mark up a web page, style it, and allow people to interact with it on the client side. It's time to learn how users can interact with your website from the server side. You're also familiar with the syntax of jQuery, which can be tricky, and the programming fundamentals of JavaScript. With those two skills, you are on the perfect track for learning PHP. With PHP comes a few challenges though. If you work through them, you will quickly find yourself on the other side of the internet, the web development side. With the knowledge of PHP and SQL, which is your server-side language and your database language, comes the ability to create any type of website. If you're into social networks, well, Facebook was found using PHP, and if you're into sharing, you can create a website such as Pinterest, which is the fastest growing website of all time. Its growth rate was actually larger than Facebook at any given time. And creating something like that won't even be a huge challenge for you. The door of opportunity is starting to open wide for you. And just once more, I want to say, good job. If you have any questions or requests, please speak up so that together we can help your understanding of web development grow. I also ask, if you haven't done so already, please rate this course 5 out of 5, but only if you have learned something useful. So thank you for taking the time to finish the jQuery module of the Complete Web Developer, and I look forward to hearing from you and helping you understand and learn as much as I can teach you about PHP and SQL. So we'll see you in the next module, and again, great job. Keep up the great work.